Good morning, day 16. I don't know. I think so. You know, I keep saying it, but when you do 75 hard, all the days just start to blend in because your weekends don't break up the weeks. So every day when you keep doing the same thing over and over and over and over again, it just all blends in together. And guess what? That's all right. That's all right, because we're looking for results here, and results require consistency over time. When I have people start in my gym, the first thing I always, maybe not the first thing, one of the first things I tell them is, hey, be consistent. You know, like I talked to a guy yesterday who's going to start later this week. He's like, you know, what kind of results am I going to see? I'm like, well, how consistent are you going to be? Are you going to show up 3 days a week, 4 days a week, 5 days a week? Are you willing to change your nutrition? How's your sleep habits? How's your stress? We have to understand that when you're looking for results in the health and fitness realm, it's not just one thing. It's all the things, because all the things have gotten you into the overweight, deconditioned, overfat shape you're in. So it's going to take all the things to get you out of that. And if it takes one thing to be the catalyst for that, that's totally fine. But it's the big picture you got to look at. So be consistent. Show up. Do the things every day, like we're doing 75 hard. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. All right, ladies and gentlemen, day 16 is a wrap. Most of the time when I film these, I'm about to go to bed, and I don't know if you've noticed or not, but I always have the same shirt on. And other than it being Ken Griffey Jr., who's definitely one of the greatest baseball players that ever played the game, I'm very much a creature of habit with a lot of things. And if you haven't figured out, that's one of the keys to 75 hard. Like, the more you are willing to repeat the same thing over and over and over again, the things that you eat, the workouts, you don't do the same workout every day, but like most of my outdoor workouts have been a weight vest walk, and I've done a couple of things other than that, but pretty much that. Every day lunch has been beef and rice. Every morning I have bacon, egg, and cheese, or some sort of egg and cheese. Like, every day it's essentially the same thing, but it makes it so much easier to execute because all you're doing is wash, rinse, and repeat. Success has clues. Follow the lead, y'all. Y'all have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. Make good choices.